Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, a lovely Monet, and I'm back here with another video. And on tonight's menu is fried catfish. If you guys want to know how I made this golden brown catfish, please stay tuned.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Okay, you guys, so why come y'all didn't tell me that catfish was it instead of a whitening fish? I've been eating a whitening fish most of my life because, first of all, I didn't want to eat whitening fish because I thought eating fish was nasty until I got adapted to it. But catfish is where it's at. Like, it's bang. Anyway, I got my catfish from Kroger's meat department in the back. Like where the guys stand there and give the meat to you, not it prepackaged. Me and my husband, we went to this place and just got he wanted some catfish, so I ordered some catfish for him. I didn't want to try catfish. I got me some chicken tacos. But when I had tasted it, oh my goodness, I have fallen in love with catfish. And from this day forward, that is all I know is catfish. No whitening fish in my house, like, period, whatsoever. Even my kids are now addicted to it. So anyways, I got this catfish from Kroger's, and of course I rinsed it off. I am seasoning, you guys, and now that I'm looking at this video, I over season it, so please do not judge me. And I feel like catfish don't even need that much season. I don't know if catfish just come with that salty taste already, so too much of it's not needed. But I'll just try my best to just have the perfect catfish. It was actually 4 pieces in all, so I feel like by the time I got to like rubbing it all in, all of it would have got that seasoning and flavor that it needed. I'm also gonna add some mustard, that way it can get that crispy feel. For some reason, I've been watching on TikTok, everyone add mustard to their, I guess, fish, pork chop, chicken, or whatever. So that's what I have been doing. I also added some hot sauce because I want it to be spicy. I'm a spicy girl. I love all my stuff spicy. And while I'm doing it, I'm letting my grease get hot. And now my grease is not fresh. Don't judge me, judge your mama. But anyway, my grease is getting hot. It's not too dirty. And I'm just gonna get this batter that I seen on TikTok that they use for their catfish. I think they use regular flour, I want to say baking soda, and I think meal. So they mixed it all together, and that's what I did, and that's what I'm going to use for my coating. I'm not doing all that egg wash, dip, and all that. I'm just going straight to the coating and putting it in the grease, and I'm about to get started.
Sent from heaven. Now you can wait your whole life wondering when it's gonna come or where it's been. You may have got your heart broken a few times in the past. It never lasts as strong as it used to. It don't feel as good as it used to before. And all the things you used to say, things you used to do, went right out the door. Ooh, no more will you be the one. That's what you tell everyone around you, but you know they've heard it all before. What more can you say when love won't let you walk away? Just you can't help who you love, and you find yourself giving it all away when you think you're enough. Ooh, I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who leaves when you're gone because you're sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. And there's a piece of me who leaves when you're gone because you're sent from heaven. Now you can wait your whole life trying to change what they feel from what's been. You may have put your whole life into a man, loving what you thought it could have been. Oh, that's when you change and you don't feel as good as you used to before. And everything you used to say, everything you used to do, went right out the door. on glitter, waist on thinner. I'ma show you how to bag an 8-figure nigga. Face on fatty, pockets on trigger. You better get the card and make it swipe like Tinder. Private villa in the fur chinchilla. When he posts me, all the house gets sicker. Gut boy killer, I don't need fillers. Never been a lame, so the real feel it. Daddy on the FaceTime, you can never take mine. End up on a dateline, with no day job, bitch, hit your wop wop. Always on the course side, Big that niggas wanna eat me out. Bitch, I'm from the West Coast, they wanna go down south. All these lame ass niggas tryna fuck for clout. I won't let him hit, but he can put it in his mouth. Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap in. Fucking nigga get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap in. MOB, I see gang, nigga, tap in. Yeah. Tap. You got an itty bitty waist, pretty in the face. Never let a broke nigga take you on a date. Nah, haters can't relate. Bitch, I never.
Some more flex, I shared it with her. You took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value. Give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you groove better than you do. Just call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got. Never gave you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish, you got some problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches, I don't know these features.
So now I'm going to plate the catfish. I did not have any napkins, so I let the catfish drain on a different plate and try to get as much excessive grease off that I could. Same with the fries. When I used to add salt on my fries or a little seasoned salt, not both or either or. So I'm gonna add some tartar sauce, because how can you eat fish without tartar sauce or hot sauce? If you make a sandwich, of course you gotta have the mustard and the onions and the pickles, but we're not doing all that. We're just eating it plain. But you guys, I give this a 10 out of 10. You should try it. It's a very simple. And if they don't have the fish in the back, they might have it like pre-packaged for like 2 pieces for $5. But I'm assuming that's the same fish that they get for them back. They just go ahead and just sit it out front if they do not have it. That's how my Kroger's was compared to the other Kroger's that I originally got my first catfish from. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.